Hello, I'm Jeffrey Mishlove. You may have known me as host of the National Public Television series Thinking Aloud, or perhaps you're aware of my work in the field of consciousness exploration. For the last 10 years and more, I've been active in the financial markets as a registered commodity trading advisor, a trader, and an investor. Back in 2007, I wrote the handbook for participants in CNBC's $1 Million Portfolio Challenge. The winner of that contest, incidentally, was Mary Sue Williams, an Ohio waitress who had previously never bought a stock in her life. She was one of the many people who purchased and read my handbook. Today, I'd like to talk to you about my newest project, a series of ebooks titled The Alpha Interface: Empirical Research on the Predictability of Financial Markets. The first one has just been uploaded to Amazon.com and is available as a Kindle book. It is Book 1 and is titled 40 Trading Strategies Based on Scientific Findings About Analysts' Forecasts. Alpha, as you may know, refers to having an edge in the marketplace, an ability to outperform the market averages and thus to outperform the average of all other market participants. This first book in the Alpha Interface series is based upon solid scientific research conducted by highly trained researchers working in universities around the world. Many thousands of hours and millions of dollars have been resourced for the purpose of studying the financial markets. I found it fascinating to realize, however, that most traders and investors are unaware of this research that is mostly shared only within the scholarly community. I decided to make these findings available in easy-to-grasp, straightforward language. If you are responsible for an investment or trading account, naturally you want to make decisions based upon the best possible information and methods. And if there's one fact that is very clear, it is the superiority of the scientific method in terms of testing hypotheses and arriving at ever more sophisticated solutions. Science is not perfect, of course. However, there is no better method available for understanding and predicting the financial markets. How paradoxical, then, that the vast majority of information out there on how to profit in the marketplace is based not on science, but on relatively untested trading and investing lore. That's one reason why only a small percentage of traders and investors consistently outperform the market averages. Book 1 is available on Amazon as a Kindle book. Let me share with you now some of the information you will find there. This slide simply shows that the number of analyst forecast revisions more than doubled between 2001 and 2007. The growth of the analyst industry has had enormous implications for the market. If you have not been following analyst recommendations and forecasts, you'll find that they are available from many resources, including very likely your own broker. My discount broker allows me to subscribe to immediate alerts should any of a number of analysts revise their forecasts concerning any of the stocks in my portfolio, as this screenshot shows. Here we see that healthy profit can be earned in the month when any analyst publicly initiates coverage of a particular stock. This chart shows that the predictions of the best analysts yield healthy profits for years to come. And you can find out just who these analysts are because institutional investors vote every year to choose them. Because of the growth of mutual funds and hedge funds, more and more institutional investors are chasing the same stocks. Scientists describe this as herding behavior, and herding behavior has implications for your investments. Here we see that the larger the market cap of any given company, the more analysts will be tracking that company and making recommendations. Smaller companies have fewer analysts. This fact has trading strategy implications, particularly when analysts start or stop covering a small cap company. This image shows that when analysts make double upgrades or double downgrades of a company, the impact is even greater than a regular upgrade or downgrade. This knowledge can be applied and can mean money in your pocket. When brokerage firms host investment conferences, the upgrade and downgrade recommendations made by their analysts concerning the companies that were invited to present at their conferences are significantly more accurate than those of other analysts. This slide shows that analyst recommendations about particular industries are relatively independent of their recommendations of the companies within those industries. This knowledge can help you profit by trading both the industry and the companies within it. This brief introduction has covered just a few pieces of research without going into any details regarding the 40 trading strategies described in Book 1 of the Alpha Interface series. You will have to buy it on Amazon to get all of the information inside. That information is available nowhere else. Incidentally, I made it a Kindle book so that you can take advantage of the many hot links to valuable information, including original research articles therein. Thank you for watching this brief presentation. I think you will find the information in this first book of the Alpha Interface series to be refreshingly solid and real, and I predict that after you've read the first book, because this information is so timely and substantial, you'll be eager to learn what is in store in subsequent volumes of the series.